Found Grandpa's truck behind Roland's barn, where the thistles grow wild out on his farm. The paint ain't shined since '83, but he was calling out to me. Midnight maroon, time stood still through the morning summer haze. Gonna bring back that midnight maroon. Chrome's gonna sparkle in the afternoon. Every bolt and bearing gonna make it new. Got big plans for what we're gonna do. When that engine purrs its tune in my sweet midnight maroon, Uncle Roland shook his head and smiled. Said he's been sitting there quite a while. Now he's waiting patient there for someone who really cares. Got the keys in my hand today. Gonna bring her back the proper way. Gonna bring back that midnight maroon. Chrome's gonna sparkle in the afternoon. Every bolt and bearing gonna make it new. Got big plans for what we're gonna do. When that engine purrs its tune in my sweet midnight maroon. Every car show in 3 counties around, gonna know when we roll into town. People gonna stop and stare at all that love and tender care we put into bringing back the dream of this old truck second spray. Gonna bring back that midnight maroon. Chrome's gonna sparkle in the afternoon. Everybody